or whatever, there's not a whole lot of things that we can control, but having a clean car is one thing that we can control. And isn't having a clean car one of the best feelings in the world?
The face of our city is changing, and you're making a difference. You're going to not only make us look better, you'll make us feel cleaner and clean it up in a whole different way. North Salt Lake's always open for business, and especially great businesses that do a great job like you do. And I have really been impressed with your growth. It is really amazing, and I'm sure you're just going to be a fabulous addition to our area here. And anyway, I just want to wish you welcome and congratulations for a wonderful project.
This fundraiser that we did yesterday, we found Juan Diego and his family. As many of you remember the windstorms and everything, they were traveling back from a family vacation and were part of a 6-car pileup that severely injured 6 members of their family, completely totaled their car, and Juan took the brunt of it. And so this is sort of, centered around raising funds to help Juan's family cover some of these expenses. Juan just got out of the hospital yesterday, multiple fractures in his arm and then internal injuries. And so I'm happy to say that, the community really came out for this. Everybody participated, and a fantastic, so we were able to raise, and also Quack also matches donations, and so we were able to raise and donate $7,000 to Juan Diego and his family. And we know that this will hopefully help them in their recovery.
Good morning, North Salt Lake. Alex here at Quack Car Wash. We just got done doing our grand opening kickoff this morning. 5 lucky people won a whole year worth of car washes. And the next 100 got goodie bags, got some breakfast, and had a real good time. So make sure you come and see us for our grand openings. We'll get your car in dirty, out clean, and under 3 minutes. Woo!
Quack Car Wash!
Woo! Hey, why do you choose Quack Car Wash?
Because they're awesome! Oh, I love Quack Car Wash! I'm so excited! I'm so glad that you guys have them here finally!